Hey, what's up? Good morning, guys. So, this morning we identified BBI. And the cool thing about sometimes sometimes I'll oversleep and I'll wake up a little bit late. And, typically I'm sitting in front of my computer right around 9:20. But today I jumped on at 9:25. And the cool thing about training new people and teaching them the same strategy is that all I have to do is check my cell phone and they already identified the stock. They texted to me. So all I did was at 9:25, I just sat down, looked at my phone. They already told me which stocks are, because they understand the strategy, so they already know how to pick the stocks. So I had like a few students already texting me BBI. So all I did was pull up the chart, and I already know gold time is green line. I know this green line is when I'm going to be punching it. I mean, today was a little bit of a slower day, but at the end of the day, it was still profitable. So I'm going to show you guys. Right now, it's 9:29:58, and I know my entry is go time. So of course, I place my order and watch what happens. Boom, the bell just rang and it popped up, and I'm selling right about. It pulled back a little bit. I'm giving it a chance, and I sold right there at 340, and I'm out. And that's as fast as it happened. Now it wasn't a huge profit, but it was about 300 bucks within like what, you know, it's it's 9:30, 19 seconds. So within 19 seconds, um, so basically I took 3,000 shares. Um, here, let me do the math for you guys. So basically I got out at 340, got in at 328, 12 cents times 3,000 shares. So I made a quick 360 bucks, and I mean that's not so bad for like 19 seconds worth of work. Typically though it explodes a lot higher, but sometimes you just got to take what the market gives you. And that's all I wanted to show you guys for today. But yeah, once you know how to identify these stocks, it becomes very easy when you know where you're supposed to enter, and then when there's a little bit of a resistance or when you're above a certain level, you gotta sell. And I show you how to do all that. So it's not very difficult. As you can see, it's the same exact strategy. I trade every single day. Nothing changes. Every single day, same strategy. All right. So quick 360. Not bad for 19 seconds worth of work. Okay. So I'll chat with you guys tomorrow, hopefully. And man, it's like I don't know. It's been yesterday was pretty good, but I missed a nice opportunity yesterday. Sometimes we can't catch them all. So I actually missed um the stock that made a really big move because I was looking at something else. But sometimes that happens. But it is what it is. Yeah, today 360. Not that bad, but not. I mean, it's not great either. So, all right, I'll check with you guys tomorrow. All right, be good. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment if you have any questions. All right, guys. Later.